sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to Jemonica K. Don't you get up here. I don't know why y'all nephew do this. I try to talk to y'all by myself. Anyway, speaking of Milo, honey, y'all was on me in that last video about washing Milo's clothes with our clothes. Y'all, they wasn't dirty. They was just sitting in the closet. You know how you have clothes sitting in the closet, like fall clothes or summer clothes or spring clothes, and you just want to freshen them up? So don't y'all worry. I'm not gonna get the cooties, okay? But baby, y'all's like, But anyway, I am back. I know I have been gone for like 5 or 6 days at this point. Y'all, your girl I was not feeling well. So I am feeling better. I wanted to put a video out on Thursday, but that didn't work out. And then I wanted to put one out on Sunday, but that didn't work. That did not work out. Y'all, these words. So today, here we are today. I want to post on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Like, that's the days that I want to post. Don't hold me to that yet. But so yeah, today is just a chill day because I'm trying to get myself back on track and all of that stuff. I just had like a rough week this week, so I'm trying to get myself back on track. To all of my people out there that deal with epilepsy, listen, I'm praying for you. I'm praying for all of us because it is like, it's no joke at times. This is not what we're talking about today, but I have to tell y'all how I feel. I have to let y'all know my feelings, where I am. So yeah, it was a rough week, especially with the speech. You know, epilepsy, it's one of them things. It affects a lot of different parts of you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it was a rough week. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. It was a rough week. But anyway, that's over with. So I am back hanging out with you all. I don't have a lot going on. So I was just like, listen, I'm just gonna get on here, talk to my ladies. If it's any men on here, talk to the fellas. And I'm just gonna share with y'all whatever it is that I'm doing today, okay? In the last video, some of you all commented and told me that you were gonna try the Clean Reserve perfume. So let me know in the comments if you have received it. Let me know how you like it. But I'm telling y'all, listen, that perfume, let me tell y'all about my mama. So we went out to lunch. I'm gonna insert a little clip after I finish saying whatever it is that I'm saying. But we went to lunch because we always have a mother-daughter lunch every month, once a month. So we went to lunch, and right when I walked up to her, gave her a hug, and I walked back to my seat, she was like, "What is that?" And I already knew she was gonna say that because my mama she says that every time we get together, okay? I'm sure she has every perfume that I have, she has, okay? And so I already knew she was gonna say that. And so just so happened it was a Sephora right across the street from where we were having lunch. Excuse me, y'all. So after we finished lunch, we went to Sephora, and of course, y'all know she picked the 2 scents that I have, the Rain and the Sugar something. I don't remember what the sugar is. It's sugar something or sugary. But she picked those two. And did I bring it in here? Okay, I'm back. So I wanted to show y'all the stuff that I picked up for my face. This is the Tatcha. This is the rice wash, and then this one is the skin cream. So I'm gonna try this. I've been using it on my face for like, this is day, I think 4. But I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna get some of the other products that brand has. I tried, it was another brand, but I was telling the lady that worked there, like, it was, I think my skin was just too sensitive for it. I think I told y'all before that my skin is very sensitive, and it's supposed to like brighten this area up, but it was burning. So I took that back. And this one, it was fine. It didn't have my face burning or anything like that. So I was like, I'm gonna stick with that brand. And the reason that I purchased this brand was because the lady that works there, she was telling me about it. And yeah. So I'm gonna insert a clip of when we went out to lunch and all of that stuff, and when we were in Sephora. Oh, wait a minute. Before I insert the clip, so Clean Reserve, they also have a water-based perfume, which is like, it's the same ones, but then they have some extra scents too. So I was like, I think I'm gonna try some of those next, because my skin is so sensitive. Even with that, it may irritate it a little bit. So I'll put it on my clothes, or like if I could put it right here and it does not irritate it, but like if I put it on my neck, it may irritate it a little bit. So they have a water base, so I want to try those next. But honey, listen, I'm telling you, if you don't have it, get it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch the video before this video. But anyway, let me insert this clip of us on our lunch date, honey. Okay, y'all, so that was our mother-daughter lunch. And yeah, we had fun. We always have fun when we go, but that's all. That's the only 2 places that we went to, was lunch and y'all excuse my little Jaden is coming in from school. But lunch, and we went to Sephora. So yeah, y'all, but today the only thing that I'm doing is just some stuff around the house. The dreadful laundry. Why it seems like I have to do laundry every day, but I don't have to wash every day. I don't fold the clothes, all of the clothes when I wash them. Laundry is one of those things I absolutely hate doing. I wash all day long, and I think I told y'all that before. I will wash all day long, but I drag my feet when it comes to folding. Well, let me take that back. If I'm not feeling my best, I drag my feet, okay? But if it's one of those good days, then I'll go ahead, wash, fold, put up the same day. Hey, Pumpkin. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, so I left y'all. My husband ended up coming home. Well, first, Jaden came home, and then my hubby came home. But I wanted to show y'all. I call myself doing my, what is it? Is it charcuterie or charcuterie? Whichever one it is, I decided to make one for a little movie night. But I just used what I had in the kitchen. I did not go out and buy anything. So this is everything I had in the kitchen. I had stuff to fix a sandwich, and then I had some strawberries. I had white chocolate almond bark. So I used that. I had almonds. What else did I have? I had some watermelon. So I basically just used everything I had and just made a cute little board. It's very easy to make, so you can go out and buy everything that you need, or you can just use whatever you have in the refrigerator. So that's what I did. But I'm gonna sit back, let you all enjoy this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Let me know if you make any of these boards, what you put on your board. This is my first time making one. So like I said, I just used what I had in the refrigerator. I'm sure if I planned it out a little better, I would have added some different stuff. I do want to let you know when I make the white chocolate covered strawberries, I am using white chocolate almond bark that I purchased from Walmart. And then you're going to see me add in something that's white, like a little small chunk of something that's white. That's actually shortening. I just used the Walmart brand, and you're going to just melt that down into the chocolate, and that will allow it to smooth out the white chocolate.